Hey everyone, Ed here with Michelle and the Great Indoors. Hey, we are at the Great Wolf Lodge and we're just starting another video. We're on our way to the Foxwoods Casino and they have shuttle service here. Now, the website claims their shuttle service. You went out and no one seemed to know anything about it, but here's what you guys do. You go to the front desk, you show them that you're here at the hotel, checked in like we are,
okay,
and they will get on the walkie-talkie and get the shuttle guy here. So he's just dropping off someone right now. They'll be here in 3 minutes, so let's get out there and wait for our shuttle ride.
All right.
All right. Like, comment, and subscribe to the Great Indoors as we're going to the casino from the Great Wolf Lodge. Nice. All right, we're just going to wait over here. And the shuttle guy, I see him moving around over there right now. We'll bring you guys right back. Okay, the Great Wolf Lodge does have a shuttle service. All right. Hello.
Yeah, I like your ears. They look so cute and furry.
Still reeling?
Yeah.
Well, you have to do the walk call.
Oh! Okay, I didn't have that in front of me.
She's been doing that all day, and my ears are still ringing. God. So where do we get dropped? At the Tangier Mall, or where are we headed?
You want to go over to the mall? Hang around?
Yeah, why not? I'd like to check them all out.
Sure.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
And your name is?
Jonathan.
Ed and
Jonathan.
Hi, Jonathan. Ed and Michelle.
We're making a YouTube video.
Yeah, we're showing how to get from here to there.
Cool.
All right.
So you're going to have to check us out, Jonathan.
I got my
Okay. Got your wolf ears on.
Oh, yeah.
This is awesome. And it smells good in here, too.
It's
got like
Jonathan's
a
cologne.
fresh smell.
No, I wish I could say that.
Oh, he must have gave a present. Oh.
No, on the back wall, there's an air freshener.
Oh.
That's okay. I like air fresheners. We used to come here back in the day when Two Trees had their shuttle service to the casino. So this is reminding me of the old days.
I remember that.
Yeah.
I was a chauffeur over at Foxwoods for 20 years.
Oh, wow.
And Two Trees, I thought was absolutely the best.
I miss it very much because it was a way through things. You felt like you were in a whole other village.
Yes.
You know, I liked how it made you feel like you were just can decompress over there.
Yes.
And I had a lot of good memories over there too. So yeah, I do miss it. It's still there. It's just not operating. You know.
Yeah.
Are they ever gonna do something with it besides possibly tear it down, or is it just for employees and stuff like that now?
No, it's not even for employees anymore.
Oh man.
It's totally closed. And that's, I'm sorry, but that's a crime.
Yeah.
Because that thing is so beautiful.
Right.
Oh, he's going on. Ed, like a talking horse.
Jonathan, what a great guy. He even gave me his phone number so that when we're ready to leave, we could contact him and he could pick us up right here at either the Fox Tower or the Grand Pequot. All right, now let's go. This is the Tangier Mall.
No, this is the Fox Tower.
Oh, the Fox Tower, but it leads right into the Tangier Mall.
So that guy said, are you from Ohio?
Ohio.
Oh, wait!
Ohio. Yes, so.
Woo! We made it back! Oh,
Okay.
yeah, we made it back.
Okay. Casino there. And Junior's is closed. Oh, boy. Welcome to Foxwoods, Fox Tower area. Beautiful. I need to get a card because I lost mine, so I'm going to and they do have valet over here. All right. So, did you buy anything? No, I guess not.
But I did see a t-shirt, but I got to get a bigger size on it.
How much was it, though?
27, just like
That's not a
last
bad
year.
price.
Huh?
Oh, look at that. They do have a little bit of Christmas ornaments already. All right. Yeah, this is the Fox Tower Casino. And a lot of things are closed. This is Junior's, their little pastry section, and that's not operating. It's Monday. So maybe it's more on the weekends when they're open here. I don't know. And then the Tangier Mall, I believe, is this way. What's that Chinese restaurant closed, didn't it? What was that?
Red Scorpion. No, the Red Dragon.
Red Dragon, yeah. No longer. That's sad. But Top Golf is here. Top Golf. I always remember the poker room being in the Rainmaker Square area. Well, it looks like they relocated over here. The poker room is here. And the Tangier Mall is right there. So I don't know what I could show of this, because they don't really like camera action in the poker room. All that. Okay, this is the waiting list. They have a 2.5 pot limit Omaha, 1.5 stud, and dinner reseating. Okay, so they must be in some kind of a hold for maybe a wait for people to go eat. I don't know. I never heard of that before. But this is the poker room, the new and improved poker room here at Foxwoods in the Fox Tower area. A lot of people. I'm wondering if Mike is playing right now here, right? And you could sign in right here, put your name down on the list, and they got the games for you. They have a $135 no limit hold'em poker tournament on Wednesday, I believe. So that might be something I might want to take a look at. Are you going to play some cards this year?
Blackjack, I already played my poker.
Yeah. All right. Well, I'm going to go talk to our guest of honor, Jeff Cole, and find out what he's up to. You want to go find him and check in on him? All right.
Woo! OH!
Hi-yo!
We made it, everyone. We have made it back to our annual Foxwoods trip 2025.
Awesome. Yeah.
Oh!
Yeah, you are really taking that howling a lot, okay? All right. It's better than saying go Browns like you did the last time we were
Go
up there.
Patriots! Gronkowski's retiring as a Patriot Wednesday!
All right. Good job, Michelle. Look at this, guys. They have some ornaments for Christmas up already. Look at that beautiful tree. And look at that, how it lights up the top over there. Very nice. Isn't it nice that they have some ornaments up already?
Oh, yeah. Place to try. Yummy bite.
That's new here, too?
Yes.
Okay. Well, we're headed to the Sugar Factory.
Sugar Factory.
That's where we're going next to meet up with, well, we're going to meet up with Jeff and his brother at the Sugar Factory. But they're actually coming down from, they're staying here in the tower. So once they come down, we're going to meet them at the elevator and head over to the Sugar Factory. All right, so there you go. Update. I know this guy. Hey, you're that guy that did that Ozzy tribute the other day on YouTube. You're a good singer, man. And is that your entourage too? All right. What are the odds of seeing you here at Foxwoods? Man, you got a YouTube channel?
Yeah.
What is it called? Snuffery.
I've never told you what that
Man, you are a classic singer, dude. All right, I'm going to have to put a link to your channel in the description.
Please do.
This guy's a rock star, waiting to happen, okay? Mike, how you been, dude?
How's it going?
What's happening?
Oh,
Have you been at the tables yet, or what?
I have not done anything today.
Maybe that's a good
little
thing.
over budget yesterday.
Good to see you, dude. There's Michelle right over there. So you guys have not eaten yet, or you have and you just want to get something like an ice cream or something like that here, or what?
I want to get something to eat now. We're going to Sugar Factory.
Sugar Factory, okay.
I want dessert first!
Yeah, me.
Don't forget Mike. Don't forget Mike. Come on. He needs love too.
Ooh, I know.
All right. Wow, that looks really. Look at that. That is some kind of ice cream over there.
Yeah.
Okay.
I am just so grateful that I have a best friend in Tammy. She makes great ziti, but look at pasta for two, chicken parm for $60.
It is for two though, right?
Right.
But check this out. If you guys get an idea, their cheapest thing is a basket of signature fries for $12. So if you're on a budget, this is not the place to go.
That's right.
Okay, there we go.
Think about getting
Okay, these are the shoestring fries, $12. And there's a little bit of parsley on them and sea salt. And it comes with 2 cups of ramekins of ketchup. You want to give it a try, Michelle?
Absolutely. Right there, it's pays the $12.
All right.
Mozzarella stick.
Yeah.
like 3 mozzarella.
They look crispy enough, right?
You know, for $17.
They're nice
Yeah,
in
well, that's
temperature
how
then?
thick it is. It's the
All
stick
right.
would be like maybe
You're probably going to
4
end up getting a spinach artichoke dip, right? And I ordered a sundae that's got vanilla, chocolate, and vanilla ice cream in it. Not just one flavor, all three.
Oh my God!
So that's going to be
You're
pretty cool.
You're going to be eating forever.
And we're going to show all the other food that Jeff and Mike have and their mom, all right? This is the sugar factory. So we're trying to avoid, at least for Michelle's trying to avoid sugar. Not easy at a place that specializes in sugar.
Look, you got real cake.
Oh my.
Yeah, right, yeah.
That's the Rainbow Bright.
That's Rainbow Bright. I don't want anybody to judge me. I don't want anybody to make fun of me in the comments or nothing. This is good.
Now that you said that,
Don't make fun of me.
everyone's going to be ripping on you now. Wow.
You can get your plate back for your cake.
I know. Good luck with that.
That girl, the biggest turn around was like eyeballing my picture. I said, don't make fun of me.
And who knows what I'm talking.
Looks like caramel is on there too.
Yes.
Caramel. That's almost so good you don't even want to eat it.
Maybe
It's
you
so
can
good.
have that in one bite. Maybe. Oh yeah.
How much if I do it all?
Oh
Strawberry
my.
milkshake.
Thank you.
And that's my chocolate, the original chocolate sundae. Holy cow. Thank you. Oh my.
Me and Jeff tried to eat one of those.
That's for
Look at that. Strawberry, whipped cream, chocolate, more whipped cream, more chocolate with chocolate all over the top, the fudge.
You know what? I might need my plate back.
And here comes the spinach and artichoke dip. Wow, everything is at the same time. You love that, but here, let's take that plate, move that plate over a little bit.
That's not a straw.
All right, there.
Oh, wait a minute. This is the straw, isn't it?
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, you gotta
What
suck
a
it.
feast we got
Suck
here.
it, suck.
Foxwoods, the sugar factory. And Mom is going in for the first one. All right.
Come on, Mom.
Go, Mom, go. Go, Mom, go. Go, Mom, go. Yay. Is that good or what? All
Okay, now
right.
he's gotta suck.
Listen. Ed, see this lollipop right here? That's
Yeah.
my straw.
That's a straw? Holy shit.
Here we go.
Are you sure that's a straw?
Oh yeah, he's
No.
enjoying that.
The whole lollipop is. I didn't want to put my whole mouth over it. Wouldn't have,
Yeah.
I didn't want to make your video, PG-13.
That's okay. You're doing good.
Oh, good. Am I? All right.
Yeah.
Strawberry over here.
Look at that, Mike. Wow.
Mine is a strawberry, and I don't know what the pink
Probably just
things are on top of it, but
I think you're going to love it, though. If you like strawberries, I hope that you're not allergic to strawberries, okay? All right.
I wouldn't want to live.
And how's your
strawberry?
spinach dip there, Michelle? Pretty good?
very, very sad.
Nice.
Like if I was lactose intolerant.
Ooh, look at that. It's got like a little gummies on there, too. Wow.
Here it is.
Tammy would love
here we
this.
go.
It has fresh garlic in there.
Nice. Nice and creamy looking, too.
Now I can drink it.
Wow. That's probably the healthiest thing you could be eating here, Michelle, on this table, all right?
Fine.
Okay, I've been wondering, Jeff, your cake is multicolored. Does that mean it's multi-flavor as well?
No, believe it or not, it's just plain old white cake.
Okay. All right. You just wonder if that had a different flavor on each one. So that's good to know.
That
right?
would be unique. I don't know if I'd really like it. I'm not thrilled about fruit flavored cakes that much, but
Yeah. Well, I'm just thinking about what's going to happen later on tomorrow or whatever. When
if I walk around the casino for an hour, I'll be all right.
There you go.
Like how many?
More food is coming out.
Ham and cheese?
That's for
There's a chicken sandwich over there. Ham and cheese. Whoa. That's the best looking ham and cheese.
Look at those onion rings. Yum, 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 yum.
honey mustard.
Thank you. Who gets the honey mustard? Are you wanting honey mustard?
I don't want it, so I don't know if it's for me.
I'll just set it down over here.
Oh, it goes great with french fries.
Yeah, it does. So the feast will continue. And how you coming along with your spinach and artichoke, Dick?
Slowly but surely.
Cup of tomato soup here, but to get my
So,
fries.
look at that. He's got fries with bacon bits and cheddar cheese. Some chicken wings. Oh, you
Buffalo.
got two different kinds.
Well, I thought it said they were both hot, but that looks like barbecue to me.
Yeah.
Look at
I
the
think it's hot. Guaranteed.
Maybe it's hot barbecue.
It's a simple grilled ham and cheese. I get a little cup of tomato soup to dip in.
We're about to perform.
All right.
Wow.
Anything else I can
Gonna join me at karaoke Wednesday at Scorpion Bar?
Yeah.
I sing hard rock and roll. I'm a metal man.
Really?
That's awesome.
If you like metal.
Yeah, he's going to be
I
doing
definitely
karaoke tomorrow night at the Scorpion Wednesday night. So that's going to be pretty awesome. Going to do your Ozzy tribute, right?
I'll have to do a Ozzy or Black Sabbath.
Or some Scorpions.
For you.
You got to do Scorpions at the Scorpion Bar. Rock You Like a Hurricane or something like that.
I am a big Scorpions fan, but not their popular hits.
Oh.
That's why it took me forever to get into them.
You don't realize how awesome this picture is. Mike, look behind him. That thing is lined up perfectly with his head.
Okay then. Jimmy's.
Are you a winner or what? Because you're telling me those sprinkles are not sprinkles.
They're called Jimmy's.
So you can't. So if you're
Anybody
a
that
winner,
calls them, I already pull your man card for liking ranch dressing. You want me to pull your man card for calling them sprinkles?
yeah, I do. Now you know why I don't eat ranch dressing anymore, because of this guy. Okay. Over here at the Great Cedar Casino, and I just had a nice line hit for $24 on a dollar spin playing Heidi's Beer House. I was watching a video for Cowboy Slots, and he was saying this is one of the better games to be playing. Bonus frequency and fun factor alone, this game has got what you want in a slot machine. All right. These are wild, so we can get more of those, and we'll be having a beer party. Get one more of those, and we'll be in a bonus. Yes! One more. Free game bonus. All right. Beautiful. Yeah. That worked out pretty cool, huh? All right. All right. Let's see what happens here. And that will stay locked into the wild position. All right. And we need her for re-triggers. And it would be nice if she could open up the beer taps and drop some wilds down. All right, there's something back. And that was it. That's the end of our bonus. Better late than never, though, right? $12 on a $1 spin. All right. Pretty cool. But we are having fun here at Foxwoods, 2025 style. Nice. Easy on, easy off. Jonathan, our bus driver, was so awesome. If you ever come here, ask for Jonathan. He will take good care of you guys.
Love ya. Woo! I made it home because of Jonathan.
That was a fun night at Foxwoods, wasn't it, with Jonathan?
God, it was a winning night and meeting Jonathan.
Yeah. Okay, someone needs rest. We got a busy day tomorrow, Michelle, so get ready for it. Thank you all for joining us.
Yes, on day one on the Great Wolf.
It's only 9:30 and we're already going to sleep. You know we're getting old, right?
I'm getting young with this wolf pack.
All right, cool. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Enjoy. Bye.
Sweet dreams.
What is going on here? Oh my. Snowing inside. All right. Wow. Oh, look at the fireplace.
It's a beautiful night.
Isn't this cool?
Love it.
Oh, yeah.
Love running and jumping and playing in the snow. Grandma, what's that? This, right, is a moonstone.